Here we are, the infamous Whitten Map. This is a real outcrop map of a region in the UK. You will be chopping it into 3 domains, plotting the strikes and dips using stereo nets, making a cross-section, and answering some questions on how exactly this came to be. If you stay organized and read the instructions, you can easily finish this within the 2-week time frame. If you have an image editing software you feel comfortable with, feel free to use it. But for image editing novices like myself, this web-based Microsoft Paint program provides basic tools to modify your Whitten map. I have included a pre-colored map and a blank map to give you the option of customizing your map colors. It's really simple to upload the image to the website. You can clearly see all the strike and dip measurements you're responsible for tracking down across the map with the zoomed view, but zooming out will help you better visualize the area. The Paint tool allows you to fill enclosed areas of the map. Make sure you select colors that allow you to see the strike and dip measurements. You can use the Line tool to connect the contacts throughout the map. In your finished product, you'll be able to see the structures more clearly. You can also use the Line tool when dividing your map into the 3 domains. Keep in mind, your domains are there to segment your map and capture the curvature of the structure, so it presents itself within your stereo nets. Once you've divided your map up into 3 domains, it's important to keep separate Excel sheets of the strike and dip information for each domain and the fabric sub-elements. When you're ready to import your strikes and dips into StereoNet 10, convert your Excel file to a text file of your choice. Once you've done that, open StereoNet 10. Notice if you try and open a file, it won't work, so you need to select Import Text File. After selecting your text file, you'll see a window with a few options. First, make sure you indicate what kind of data you are using. This starts off saying lines. There are a few options available to you, but the collected data are strikes and dips, so select planes. Also, be sure to indicate which row is the first to include data. Hit OK, and your great circles should be plotted on the StereoNet. This project calls for you to work with poles to planes. Feel free to calculate these yourself or use StereoNet 10. For StereoNet 10, go to Calculations and select Poles. The poles of your imported data should appear on your plot. This is my version of filling in the outcrops, connecting the contacts, and putting the domains in. Your domains could look slightly different than mine, and that's okay. Just remember that the fold axes are absolutely not where you should put your domains. This lab can be complicated, but I have confidence that you can succeed. As always, thank you for your patience and willingness to learn in these strange times.